Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine. Today our topic is unit number 3 frictions, exercise number 3.3. Verify that 3 over 8 plus 4 over 8 is equal to 4 over 8 plus 3 over 8. First of all, we take these values as left hand side, 3 over 8 plus 4 over 8. Now denominator are same, we write in one time 3 plus 4, we write 3 plus 4, and when we add 3 in 4, answer will be 7 and denominator comes as it is. Now this side take right hand side. When now these denominator are same, therefore we write in one time. Now 4 plus 3 comes as it is. When we add 4 in 3, the answer comes 7 and 8 denominator comes as it is. Now equation number 1 7 over 8 and equation number 2 7 over 8 are equal, therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. So 3 over 8 plus 4 over 8 is equal to 4 over 8 plus 3 over 8. Now question number 2 1 over 7 plus 5 over 7 is equal to 5 over 7 plus 1 over 7. First of all, we take this side as left hand side, 1 over 7 plus 5 over 7. Now denominator are same, we write in one time, 1 comes as it is plus and 5 comes as it is. When we add 5 in 1, answer will be 6 and 7 comes as it is. Now left hand side is equal to 6 over 7. Now right hand side 5 over 7 plus 1 over 7. Now denominator are same in all values, we write 7 plus 5 plus 1 comes as it is. Now when we add 1 in 5, answer will be 6 over 7. The right hand is equal to 6 over 7. Now left hand side 6 over 7 and right hand side is also 6 over 7. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now question number 3 3 over 14 plus 6 over 14 is equal to 6 over 14 plus 3 over 14. Now we take LCM. Now we take this side as left hand side, denominator are same, we write in one time 3 plus 6, we write 3 plus 6 is equal to, when we add 6 in 3, answer will be 9 and denominator 14 comes as it is. Now right hand side 6 over 14 plus 3 over 14. Now denominator are same in all values, we write in one time 6 comes as it is plus 3 comes as it is. Now we add 6 in 3, answer will be 9 and 14 comes as it is. Now left hand side is equal to 9 over 14, right hand side is equal to 9 over 14. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now 5 over 9 plus 3 over 9 is equal to 3 over 9 plus 5 over 9. This side take left hand side, denominator same, write in one time 5 plus 3 comes as it is. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 and denominator comes as it is. Now left hand side is equal to 8 over 9. Now right hand side 3 over 9 plus 5 over 9. When we take these denominator are same, we write in one time 3 plus 5 comes as it is. Now 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 and denominator 9 comes as it is. Now left hand side is equal to 8 over 9 and right hand side is equal to 8 over 9. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now question number 5 3 over 17 plus 13 over 17 is equal to 13 over 17 plus 3 over 17. This side take left hand side 17, take we write in one time 3 plus 13. When we add 13 in 3, answer will be 16 and 17 comes as it is. Now right hand side 13 over 17 plus 3 over 17. Now denominator are same in all values, we write in one time. Now 13 plus 3 comes as it is, and when we add 3 in 13, answer will be 16 and 17 comes as it is. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now question number 6 11 over 20 plus 5 over 20 is equal to 5 over 20 plus 11 over 20. Now we take this side as left hand side 20, same denominator, write in one time 11 plus 5 write in one time. When we add 5 in 11, answer will be 16 and 20 comes as it is. Now 5 plus 5 over 20 plus 11 over 20, denominator are same, write in one time. 5 comes as it is plus and 11 comes as it is. When we add 11 in 5, the answer will be 16 and 20 denominator comes as it is. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. 16 over 20 and 16 over 20 are equal. Now question number 7, 3 over 8 plus 7 over 8 plus 5 over 8 round brackets is equal to 3 over 8 plus 7 over 8 round bracket plus 5 over 8. We take this side as left hand side, we write in one time. Now first of all we solve the brackets, round bracket. The denominator are same, we write 8 in one time, 7 plus 5 write in one time. Now 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 and 8 come as it is. Now denominator are same, we write in one time. 3 plus 12 is equal to 15 and 8 comes as it is. Left hand side is equal to 15 over 8. Now right hand side 3 over 8 plus 7 over 8 plus 5 over 8. Now we take these value as right hand side. First of all we solve the round bracket. 8 denominator are same, we write in one time. 3 comes as it is plus 7 comes as it is. When we add these two values, answer will be 10 and 8 comes as it is. Plus 5 over 8. Now denominator are same, we write in one time. 10 plus 5 comes as it is. When we add 10 plus 5 equal to 15 and 8 comes as it is. Now right hand side is equal to 15 over 8 and left hand side is equal to 15 over 8. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now question number 8, 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3 plus 5 over 3. We take these values as left hand side. 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3 plus 5 over 3. Now denominator are same, we write in one time. 2 plus 5 comes as it is. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now 1 over 3 plus 7 over 3 comes. 2 plus 5 7 and 3 comes as it is. Now denominator are same, we write in one time. 1 plus 7 comes, 1 plus 7 comes. When we add 7 in 1, answer will be 8 and 3 comes as it is. Now right hand side 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3 plus 5 over 3. Now first of all we solve the round bracket. 1 plus 2 and denominator 3. When we add 1 plus 2, answer will be 3 and 3 comes as it is. Now plus 5 over 3. When we take, now denominator are same, we write 3 in denominator and 3 plus 5 in one time. Now 8 over 3 is equal to right hand side. Now left hand side is equal to 8 over 3, right hand side is equal to 8 over 3. Question number 9, 3 over 7 plus 1 over 7 plus 2 over 7. Now we take this side as left hand side. 3 over 7 plus round bracket 1 over 7 plus 2 over 7. Denominator same, write in one time. 1 plus 2, write in numerator. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now denominator are 7 and 7, we write in one time. 3 plus 7 comes as it is. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 and denominator will be 7. Now right hand side 3 over 7 plus 1 over 7 round bracket plus 2 over 7. Now denominator are same, 7 we write in one time. 3 plus 1 and answer will be 4 and 7 comes as it is. Plus 2 over 7. Now denominator are 7, we write in one time and 4 plus 2 comes as it is. When we add 4 in 2 is equal to 6 and 7 denominator comes as it is. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side because 6 over 7 equal to 6 over 7. Now question number 10, 3 over 19 plus 7 over 19 plus 5 over 19. First of all we solve the round bracket. The denominator are same, 19, we write in one time. 7 plus 5 comes as it is. Now 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Now 3 over 19 plus 12 over 19. Now denominator are same, write in one time. 3 plus 12 comes as it is. When we add 12 in 3, answer will be 15 and 19 comes as it is. Now right hand side is equal to 3 over 19 plus 7 over 19 plus 5 over 19. First of all, solve the round bracket. 19 our denominator comes as it is, 3 plus 7 comes as it is, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 and 19 comes as it is. Now plus 5 over 19 comes as it is. Now we take, now 19 comes as it is because denominator are same. 10 plus 5 comes as it is equal to, 10 plus 5 is 15 and 19 comes as it is. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.